Yeah. Hi, my name is Brian. How may I help you today?
My name is Monica.
How are you, Monica?
Not very happy.
Oh, what happened?
I'm not really happy with you guys' services.
Uh-oh. Well, okay, why don't we just sit down and discuss what happened?
Sure.
What's the matter? Yeah, so tell me, what happened like?
So I listed my property with your guys' company around 2 months ago and it's
Okay.
still not sold.
Okay. So, we listed your property 2 months ago.
Yep.
So is it the one in Central Ringwood, which is
It
close
is.
to a train station and it's...
It is.
So you're talking about that property?
Yep.
Well, let me check on my computer what happened. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, well, it's still on, still in market. We got actually a couple buyers, but the price that we were being offered for that property was not up to the mark that we were expecting. So what we are doing is that we are just waiting for another month, and as you know, I mean, the market is very hot at the moment, and definitely we want to get some really good price on that property, and it's such a premium location, and it's close to train station, and it's got access to Eastlink as well, and it's in Ringwood. Ringwood is one of the most premium suburbs in around Melbourne. So definitely, but I know sometimes it's frustrating for the owners that when their property is not sold within the time that is specified.
Yeah.
But the thing is that, I mean, this is the right time to sell the property now. I mean, if we wait for some more time, we can sell it for much higher prices than what we are getting at the moment.
Okay.
You know, I mean, as a seller's agent, it is our duty that we get the maximum return on the property, on your investment. So yeah, if we wait for one more month, and if we are able to get like $200 to $3,000 more on that property, that would be best. I mean, you'll be earning more than like $200, $3,000 profit in 1 month.
Okay.
So that's why we're taking time. We are waiting for the right time to sell the property. So we'll be holding the auction really soon.
Okay.
And I'll make sure that we do it very aggressively, so that we can fetch the highest return for you.
Okay.
That's our intention, because we work for our in the favor, in the best interest of our vendors.
Yeah.
And that's what we are waiting for. We got some offers, but I mean, they were not good offers. They were close to the price point, but we are expecting that, I mean, according to our research, the market is moving, moving higher. There's still some steam left in the market.
Yeah.
So definitely, if we wait for another month or two, and I would strongly urge you to be patient with that. We are trying our best to get you the maximum price that we can. So let's just wait for like 2 more months. If we can manage to get $200 to $3,000 or more, that'd be great for you.
Okay.
So give us some more time. And definitely, we are keeping an eye on your property, and we're looking at the market trends as well.
Okay.
We are doing our research as well in that area. So it's on our radar.
Okay.
And just wait for 1 or 2 months.
All right.
And certainly we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay. And you were talking about that refund of marketing expenses as well.
Yes, actually, yeah.
But the thing is that, I mean, as we told you when you were signing the contract, that these expenses are non-refundable.
Okay.
I think we missed out the points. ये point पहले करना था हमें.